Hey everyone, welcome back to my mini vlog. So today I am trying sun-dried leftover rice for the very first time. Honestly, I was really curious about how it could taste. आज पहली बार इस ट्रेडिशनल डिश को ट्राई कर रही हूँ and I'm excited. The texture is so crispy, simple and full of desi vibes. The first bite and wow, this is actually so good. सच में ये मेरे लिए एक नया एक्सपीरियंस था and I'm happy I finally tried it. So guys, आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you for watching. See you in my next mini vlog. Bye.